Start by containing dust at the source so you do not scatter it around the restroom when cleaning fixtures. Begin by assessing each fixture to determine how much loose dust is present and whether components can be removed for safer cleaning. Use a high-quality microfiber duster or cloth because the fine fibers capture and hold particles rather than pushing them into the air. If fixtures have heavy loose dust, use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment first, moving slowly and holding the nozzle within an inch or two of the surface to draw particles away without contacting delicate parts. For light fixtures that can be opened, remove lenses and shades and place them on a towel before wiping. This prevents dust from falling back into the room while you clean the housing. Always dust before any wet cleaning so you do not create muddy streaks and so trapped dust is removed rather than smeared. For recessed vents, consider using a thin microfiber sleeve on a pole or a paint roller wrapped in a cloth to reach deep grills, then follow with the vacuum to collect loosened debris. Common mistakes include wiping dry with a cotton rag, which simply disperses dust into the air and onto adjacent surfaces, so swap to microfiber or use the vacuum first to pull dust away. Another issue is wetting fixtures too early, which creates paste from dust and cleaner-making residue that is hard to remove. So always dust first and then use a damp, lint-free cloth with a mild cleaner for final wiping. A third problem is neglecting to inspect and clean behind removable parts, which lets dust accumulate unseen. Remove covers or lenses and clean both sides slowly, then allow pieces to dry completely before reassembling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare contractor experiences related to restroom maintenance and cleaning strategies. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with homeowners and showcase their services directly to people who need help with fixture cleaning, replacement, and ventilation maintenance.